Here's how to export data from Xero step by step. Begin from your Xero dashboard and look to the organization name area. Click your organization name to open the menu, then select Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down until you reach the Accounting section. In that section, click Export Accounting Data. This opens the export screen where you can choose what system the data should be prepared for and define the period you want to include. Once you are on the export page, move to the Select Product area. Here, choose the accounting system you want to export the data for. Take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the correct product before continuing, since this choice determines the format of the file Xero generates. After the product is selected, stay on the same page and continue to the date fields. Next, set the date range for the export. You will see from and to date options. Enter or select the starting date in the from field, then enter or select the ending date in the to field. These dates control which accounting data is included in the export file. Make sure the range matches the reporting period you need, especially if you're exporting data for a month end, quarter end, or another specific time frame. If the dates are not correct, the file may include too much data or leave out records you expected to see. After the product and date range are in place, Xero will generate the export file. Depending on the amount of data, this may take a moment. When the file is ready, go to the Documents section on the page. In that section, locate the generated file. You may see the file listed there once processing is complete. Click Download next to that file to export the accounting data to your computer. When the download begins, your browser will save the file to its usual download location unless you have chosen a different folder. Wait for the download to finish completely before checking the file. After the export is complete in Xero, the platform displays a confirmation message. This message indicates that the export process has finished and that the file is available. To verify the export, open your Downloads folder on your computer and find the file you just downloaded. Check that the file is present and matches the export you expected based on the product selection and the date range you entered. If needed, you can open the file to confirm that it downloaded correctly and is ready for the next step in your workflow. Your Xero Accounting data export file is now downloaded and ready to use.